Hey, seventh graders. I'm so sorry we couldn't meet this morning. I'm just not prepared and not really have the energy to sit up just yet, but thankfully on the upswing, so hopefully I'll get to see you guys soon. So if you will check your email, I've shared with each of you a document that has your name and then it says PLP. PLP stands for Personalized Learning Plan. So you will have two tabs on this Google Doc. One is going to be seventh grade ELA, another one is going to say seventh grade math. Um, please don't be overwhelmed. This is a lot of information. This is everything that you need to learn in seventh grade. And seventh grade is a building year and a foundational year for a lot of concepts. So you learn a whole lot in seventh grade. So, yes, it is a lot of information. Um, but just please don't be overwhelmed because it's just for the whole year. So be grateful that we just do this a week at a time and not the whole year at once. So here's what I need for you to do. Some of you are very close to being done with all of your courses in Play-Doh, and that's awesome. And I encourage you to just get finished. That's one less thing you have to worry about. We do need to make sure that you are staying caught up with your standards because that's what you'll be assessed on shortly, and then with your state tests as well if the state of Oklahoma decides that we have to do them. Um, so here's what I need from you over the next 3 weeks. So over here on the left, you'll see a weekly order. So obviously we're not on week 1, we're on week 13. Um, you'll see a column for instructional videos, more videos, lessons. You'll see IXLs that you can complete to kind of help you through things if you need to. There's even links up here to a reading workbook, a language workbook, and then you've also got this link right here that goes to Epic Ed, which has even more videos and instruction on things should you need it. So if you scroll all the way to the right of your screen, you will see two columns that say Mastery Connect ID and then Completed Mastery Connect. I went through and checked the ones that you've already done, so you don't have to worry about that. Here's what I need from you for the next 3 weeks. I need you to try to get caught up on these Mastery Connect assessments in math and in ELA before the end of the semester. What that means is that you'll click on this link that says student.masteryconnect. You'll type in the ID for whatever week you're on, and this one's blank because this is the master copy for our team. But you'll click on this link, student.masteryconnect.com. You'll type in the code, then you'll type in your student ID, which is like your email but without the initials, and then you'll take the quiz. I know that this seems like a lot, and there are quite a few of them because we are in week 13, but these little quizzes are maybe 5 questions each. They're super, super simple, and we just need to see where you are so that we are ready to go for next semester and we can really focus on things that you're struggling with in the second semester. Um, Once you've completed it, you don't have to worry about the grade. I'll go back in and look at that. But once you've completed it, if you'll just come over to this checkbox and check it to show me that you finished, then I can go in and look and see how you've done. So if you can do that for 7th grade ELA, and then for math as well, same thing. Here's the deal. If you do poorly on this, or if you read through this standard that's right here and you realize, I'm not really sure what this is about, there are IXLs that you can run through and just kind of give yourself a quick refresher on what that could be about. I guarantee you most of these you're going to say, oh, I know how to do that because you've already covered a lot of this in our group meetings um, and in your curriculum already. So most of this should be very familiar to you. Um, so you do not have to do all of these IXLs. I know that that's a lot. Some of them you've actually probably already done. But you do not have to fill in all of these check boxes, for completing the IXL. But you do need to come over and do as many of these Mastery Connects as you can to get caught up at least through week 13 for this week. So just do your best. I do not expect all of these to get done today, but try to get a couple of these done a day to get caught up. And again, that's in your English Language Arts tab and in the Math tab. Try to get those Mastery Connects caught up as much as you can this week. Again, I don't expect you to get them all done just today or even this week, but try to make that part of your daily routine to come in here and start getting caught up with these little short quizzes just to make sure that you're understanding the standards. I'm not meeting with you guys today, but I'll be up as long as I can. If you have any questions on your curriculum or need help with anything else, shoot me a text or email me. Have a great day, guys, and stay healthy.